Hello everyone, Patrick here. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over the different Agile methodologies. So what are these methodologies? They're a set of principles and practices for software development that emphasize flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Here are some of the most widely recognized types of Agile methodologies. First is Scrum. Scrum focuses on managing tasks with a team-based development environment. It is the most widely used Agile methodology. Scrum is characterized by fixed-length iterations called sprints, typically 2 to 4 weeks long, and daily stand-up meetings to monitor progress. So let's go over an example. A software company uses Scrum to develop a new mobile application. They organize work in 2-week sprints and daily stand-ups and sprint reviews, focusing each sprint on delivering a specific set of features. I've used this for software development for many years. I've used it for running teams in different countries like Mexico, Peru, Europe, and the US. It works very well to get software out the door. The next Agile methodology we are going to talk about is Kanban, a flexible Agile methodology focusing on visual management of work using a Kanban board, allowing continuous delivery and emphasizing workflow efficiency. An example is a web development team using Kanban board to manage their tasks, visualizing their workflow, and adjusting their work to ensure steady, continuous flow of work. I've used these boards just for tracking my own daily tasks, things that I need to do around the house. I actually had a construction project where I used a Kanban board to go through and make sure we were on track with all the different tasks that needed to be done. Next is Extreme Programming, XP. It's an Agile methodology that prioritizes customer satisfaction and continuous software delivery, emphasizing practices like test-driven development, pair programming, and frequent releases. An example is a startup developing a web-based platform adopts XP, conducting regular code reviews, pair programming sessions, and prioritizing customer feedback to guide their frequent software updates. Next is Lean software development. It's an approach that applies to lean manufacturing principles to software development, focusing on eliminating waste, optimizing efficiency, and delivering value. An example is a manufacturing software team applies lean principles, streamlining their development process to reduce waste, such as unnecessary documentation, and focus on rapid delivery of software updates. Next is dynamic system development, a comprehensive Agile framework that covers the entire project lifecycle and emphasizes business needs, strict timelines, and budget control. An example of this, a financial organization deploys DSDM for critical regulatory compliance project focusing on frequent deliveries, stakeholder collaboration, and fixed deadlines to ensure compliance is met on time. Number 7 is Crystal, a collection of Agile methodologies tailored to size and criticality of the team, focusing on individuals and their interactions, and adaptable to unique characteristics of each project. Give you an example, a small creative agency uses Crystal flexibility to adapt their project management approach to different client projects, changing processes based on team size, project complexity, and client needs. And finally, number 8, this one is pretty popular, Scale Agile Framework, or SAFe, a framework for applying Agile practices and principles at an enterprise scale, combining lean and agile in a template for large-scale projects. Give you an example, this is kind of like I was talking about earlier, a multinational corporation applies SAFe to align multiple Agile teams working on different aspects of a large, complex software system, ensuring consistent practices and strategic alignment across teams. Each of these examples demonstrate how respective Agile methodology can be practically implemented, showing its unique approach and suitability for different types of projects and organizational needs.